Hello everyone, welcome to Suraj Group of Education. I am Babita Sharma, a member of Suraj School Mahendragarh. Today in this video I will teach you the summary of the poem Class 8th NCERT book English Literature, The Schoolboy. This is a poem, a very sweet poem by William Black, a very famous poet. In this poem, the schoolboy, is not happy with his studies, or he is very much unhappy with the continuous going of school. We will we will know that why he was unhappy. I love to rise in a summer morn when the birds sing on every tree, the distant huntsman winds his horn, and the skylark sings with me. Of what sweet company. In this para, the poet says that the boy says that he loves to rise or get up early in the morning, in the summer morning, when the birds sing or the birds chirp everywhere, and the skylark, a very sweet bird, sings with me or sings with him. Of what sweet company, that he had a very sweet company or a very sweet friend. But to go to school in a summer morn, or it drives all joy away. Under a cruel eye outworn, the little ones spend the day in shining and dismay. But to go in a school in a summer morning or in a hot morning is very much cruel. This is like a cruelty. The little ones spend the time in shining and dismay. Oh, then at times I dropping sit and spend many an anxious hour, nor in my book can I take delight, nor sit in learning bower, worn though with the dreary shower. It means that he was not happy to learn with its book, or to learn or to study. He is not happy with his studies. How can the bird that is born for joy sit in a cage and sing? He says that how a bird who is as free as a kite, how it could be possible to put a bird in a cage? How can a child, when fears annoy, but drop his tender wing and forget his youthful spring? How it could be possible for a child to play, to not to play, or to not to not to be happy? He should be happy, but the fear of going to school also make him dismay. The next one and the last para is, oh father and mother, if birds are naked and blossom blown away, and if the tender plants are stripped of their joy in the springing day, by sorrow and chaos dismay, how shall the summer arise in joy, or the summer fruits appear? He says to his parents, oh father and mother, if birds are naked and blossom blown away, and if the tender plants are stripped of their joy in the springing day. He says his parents that if the birds have to blossom, then he should be blossom. That it should be blossom. It is not possible for plants to put it in a cage, or not to make him blossom. So this is a very sweet poem by William Black. I think you get it. Thank you. Have a nice day.